all our local people.
Yeah, man.
Yes, you guys.
Yeah, Canterbury spit.
We're about to start the tour. Yes, side. Now we're just checking out the local bananas and them. The one time since spit. All right. Let's go. One
There
time
we go.
since
Me don't
spit.
know me as for the Rastaman for the street. So he said that video they go for front.
Yep. Oh no, I don't put out the drone. They have drones too.
Yeah. Quand il c'est mon là, c'est maman Zoppa là. Je peux péter là. Bon là.
So guys, that is where the bread get baked and stuff.
Yeah.
You see how the fire there?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That is just number one.
That's number. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Ah. Woo. Yeah.
This is that bread. Oh wow.
Speed. Pizza there so one
Pizza
time on the
guys.
bit, you don't know.
Right there.
Gaza
Beautiful.
Nation thing. Yeah, man.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. See all this bread, guys? Pizza
Pizza, yo.
right there. Beautiful.
Very
man.
beautiful,
That's
very
your
nice.
first stop.
Yeah.
First stop.
Local bread.
For this. Local bread.
Yeah, local bread.
As you know, we're celebrating Creole Day.
Creole Day.
Creole Day is
Yeah,
every
man.
day up here.
If les local pain, local bobo, local bun, local banane, local samsita, local zaman, local femme, local tineg, local bun, local... Mon Dieu!
Oui, papa! Gassa! When? So how we call her?
Thomazo International Local Bread.
Thomazo International Local Bread, guys.
First stop, man.
First
When
stop.
you leave the airport, first stop is there by the local bread.
Beautiful.
There's salami, there's cheese, there's luncheon meat, there's smoked herring, there's saltfish, there's luncheon meat.
And this beautiful black woman.
Yes.
That's what we're talking about. Lucian Spit.